guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for all my new list subscribers, and thank you for the old one and also the one who are still thinking about it to subscribe. And I hope this meal that I'm about to prepare for you today will entice you to subscribe, share and comment. Today in my kitchen I will be preparing for us a nice pot of stew peas with white rice, but there's a catch to it. This stew peas will be a meatless pot of stew peas. Yes, meatless for those who does not like to eat meat. So you know, all the time I'm always doing dishes with meat. Well, today for my subscribers who, you know, don't like to eat meat, this stew peas is just for you. So I've gone ahead, guys, and pre-prepared my ingredients, and they are already washed and chopped pumpkin, washed and sliced sweet potato, my scallion, my washed and diced bell pepper, and also a old Scotch bonnet pepper, washed and sliced bowl of carrots, washed and diced Irish potato, and last but not least, guys, my pimento crushed with some thyme. Also, guys, I'm going to be using a can of coconut cream and my can of red kidney beans. So guys, as you can see, I've already started the boiling process of my water to make our stew peas. So now I'm just going to gently pour in my can of red kidney bean into the boiling water. Next, I'm going to go in with my can of coconut cream. Next, guys, I'm going to go in with my thyme to give my stew peas flavor while boiling with the coconut cream and the peas. This process will help to absorb the flavor of the pimento and the thyme into the red peas, and also pre-prepare the water for the other ingredients. I'm also going to pour in a bit of my pimento seed. Next, I'm going to go in and stir, guys. Then we're going to cover and leave to boil for at least 20 minutes in order for all the ingredients to start infusing into each other. Guys, I'm back to check on our broth for the stew peas, and as you can see, it is boiling to a lovely consistency. The flavor, guys, I'm telling you, you should be here. The flavor is so nice with that coconut aroma infused with the thyme and pimento. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. So at this point, I'm going to go in with my spinach. And I think you know spinach because I've made this before in one of my dishes and I showed it to you. So it's just looking like this. So that's flour, salt, mixed together with water to make your spinach. And you just roll it, guys, in the middle of your palm until it gets to that shape and size. And then, yeah, you put it in your stew peas. So this helps, guys, as part of the process to build your stew peas, and it also makes it quite thick and rich. So I'm going to go in first with some spinach. and it depends on the amount of broth you're making to form your stew peas, then you will know how many spinach you want to put in. And it's really not hard to make, guys. So if you want to see me making this from scratch, you can send me a comment and I will show you how to do it. Okay, I'll show you how to roll it and the amount of water to put to the amount of kilo of flour that you're going to use. So I'm putting in the flour first, the spinach first, because it can't be overcooked. But our carrots and Irish and sweet potatoes, sorry, can. Henceforth, I'm just putting in our spinach, flour spinach first. Next, I'm going to go in with my pumpkin. So basically, I'm just going to add all my ingredients, most of my ingredients right now, the sliced and chopped ones. There you go. And I'm going to leave it to boil for another 20 minutes. And then I'll come back and we start the seasoning process. Okay, so you see now it's looking quite colorful and nice. Our spinach is lovely, sitting right there. See, beautiful, isn't it, guys? Very, very nice. And it's quite quick to do, you know, guys, especially since we're not using any meat kind. Yeah, so there you go. We're just gonna leave it now, guys, and we're gonna cover for another 20 minutes. So see you guys in 20 minutes time. So guys, it's been 20 minutes and I'm back to check on our stew peas. I know you can see the broth has actually turned into the stew peas. So I'm going to check to see if it's time to put our seasoning in. And there you can see that the pumpkin is half cooked. So I'm just going to add now our other ingredients. So in the beginning, when I started this broth, it was white and creamy because of the coconut milk. But since everything has been added, you can see that the consistency, the color has changed from white and creamy to a dark brownish reddish color. That's because of the peas and the beans and the other ingredients. So you will notice that our color of the stew peas will change as we go along by adding more and different kind of ingredients, right? So at this point, guys, I'm going to go in and add some sweet corn, which I'm so sorry I did not tell you about in the beginning, but yeah, we're going to add some sweet corn to our stew peas broth. So guys, now I'm going to go in with a pack of Grace pumpkin noodles. This is full of a lot of spice and flavor, and it does have a beautiful aroma when cooked. Next, I'm going to go in with my scallion. Then I'm going to add my sweet pepper, my bell sweet pepper, and my hot scotch bonnet pepper whole. I'm not going to cut it, guys, not at this point. I'm going to crush it later on. So we're going and stir. Beautiful color, guys. Oh wow, this is looking lovely. Look at the color combination. And trust me when I tell you, the smell is gorgeous. The smell is beautiful. Lovely aroma, guys. So now I'm going to start the the process of our dry seasoning, and I'm just going to go in with some allspice seasoning. Next I'm going to go in with a bit of black pepper. So I'm going to go in with a bit of salt. We don't need too much salt, guys, because most of our powder ingredients has salt already, so you don't want to over salt the pot, okay? Because too much salt, not good for you. Oh my god, guys, you should be here to taste this, but you know you're going to taste it virtually. The scent is beautiful, the aroma gorgeous, and you can see it's getting really thick and nice. So at this point I'm just going to add a bit more water, and I'm also going to go in with a bit of basil, and we're going to stir. You see the color that it gets now, guys? Really lovely. And you know, at this point you can go ahead like I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to taste the broth. The taste is delish. Yeah, beautiful. So guys, if you're sticking with me this far throughout the vlog and you have enjoyed watching the process of making this pot of meatless stew peas, please don't forget to subscribe, share it with someone else, comment, and don't forget to click or ring or touch that notification bell, that whenever I do a new video you will be one of the first to be notified. So guys, at this point I'm starving right now, I'm feeling really hungry. I'm going to cover and leave to simmer for at least 15 minutes more. So guys, thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in 15 minutes time. So guys, the 15 minutes is up. I know you have been waiting patiently. So now I'm checking on my stew, and as you can see, it's boiling right down to exactly where I want it to be. So the final touch, guys, will be 2 tablespoons of butter approximately. I'm going to go in with my butter. I'm going to stir once more. Make sure the butter is well stirred in, because remember, in this stew peas I did not use any oil. You don't have to, so the butter will make up to give it some moisture I guess, or that greasy taste if you like to taste grease in your food. So yeah, and then I'm just gonna let it sit and simmer for a final 5 minutes. Add me some more time. Beautiful, isn't it, guys? Look at that. So we'll leave it to simmer for another 5 minutes with our garlic and our butter to infuse with the rest of our ingredients. And when I see you again, it will be time for your dinner. So I'll serve your dinner with some fried plantain and a lovely glass of beetroot and rhubarb juice with lemon. So if you want to see how I prepare that juice, just send me a comment and I will put it in the description box for you, or I will do a video doing that drink for you. So guys, enjoy your meal, and if you love what I did today for you, what we cooked together, just send me your comment. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. As always, it's one love from Queensley's Kitchen, and from me to you, God bless. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.